When your AC is not working, the first thing you gotta do is check the fuse box. Based on the diagram here, this snowflake right here is actually the relay fuse for the compressor, the AC compressor. So that would be this guy right here. And the clutch fuse for the compressor is right here. It's number 20, 7.5 amp. So first thing we have to do is test this fuse and test this relay. I have a light fuse tester I'm gonna use. So all I gotta do is ground it to the body of the car. I'm gonna test the number 20, the 7.5 amp. Yes, I'm getting a reading 12.3. Check the other side, the same. That means it's working. In order to test the relay fuse, I gotta remove it. So I'm using the multimeter to test it. So what you gotta do is put it on milliamp all the way down. And what I'm gonna do is check the current that's running through it. So it's actually working, and this side is a resistor side, so it's good. I got a replacement. It's a different color, but it's the same relay fuse. The AC is running. That's the temperature I'm getting, 27 degrees. And I have another thermometer to verify, saying 29. So it's somewhere in that range. So definitely, well, I've checked and replaced the relay as well as the clutch fuse for the AC compressor, and they're all working. And then the next step after that is to check to see if the compressor clutch is actually spinning. What we're looking at the bottom is the compressor, and you want to look at the outer side of the compressor. That's actually the clutch. Once that's spinning, it means the compressor is working. So the compressor is actually doing what it's supposed to do. So what I have here is my AC refrigerant. I'm gonna open it up and connect it to the line. This is a gauge. Green is low, blue is fill, yellow is alert, red is warning. And when you're refilling, you refill from the low side. You're gonna see the L, little L right here. The reason why you refill while the engine is running, while the AC is on, is because the pressure is lower when the engine is running. When it's off, the pressure is higher. I'm going to keep it up so you can get the remaining out of it. And this is one.
Mad. Yeah, this is technically good enough. Dave, he's very technically inclined and he's very good in what he's doing. So all you have to do is just click the link and you don't know. It's very professional. He knows what he's doing. So just click to Dave link and you know what to do.